What's up, everyone? I'm your man Kenny G. Just giving you a quick update. I don't need to tell you, you already know that a lot has been going on the past month and a half since I've made my last video. Cancellations everywhere. All the stuff I mentioned in my last video about the events going on around Muskogee, they're all canceled. The chili cook-off, the Renaissance Fair that's going on next month, it's all canceled. And it's unfortunate. We'll get through this, but it's rough on a lot of people. The chili cook-off is the biggest fundraiser for a couple of charitable organizations in Muskogee. The Renaissance Fair, it's the biggest money maker for the castle in Muskogee, for the year. But we'll get through this. It's that some changes have to be made along the way. Even a lot of churches, including where I go to church at, had to switch to online services. Can't even go to church right now. Fortunately for us, we've been doing online services for over a year now, so it was an easy transition, but still it's just not the same. So, but anyhow, I just wanted to let you know, kind of where I've been. I haven't disappeared. It's just probably no different than most other content creators. It's difficult to find any desire to get in front of a camera right now. But with what's going on, it made me think, maybe I need to be a little more self-sustaining. Maybe I need, I grew up on a farm, but I've never grown a garden, so maybe I should, try my hand at that. And you can see I've got, made me out of my old horse trough. I made a planter so I can plant some food in it, and went to the store and I found these pizza seeds like this, and look at that. Isn't that awesome? Look, some little pizza seeds. What do you think about that? So I'm just gonna go ahead and plant these right now while we're live on the camera. Plant this seed and now grow, baby, grow into a large, succulent, extra large pepperoni pizza. It says right here, it says 9 counts. So, hopefully it'll make 9 large pizzas out of that. So we'll see. But that's about all I've got for now. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and follow me for more recipes.